Depth first search, return values. I was reading about depth first search here and was wondering why we don't return the value of the recursive call. This might sound strange, so here's the code with the line in question commented. My question, would replacing with cut the search short by evaluating to false prematurely? The lines in question seems to be saying follow the current edge node and see if it leads to a solution. If it does, we'll get a series of true statements returned all the way to the beginning of the search, our current edge node. From the leaf, this happens all the way to the root, the start of our search and the first recursive call. Only then we can say we found a valid path and return true. It seems as though the first return statement triggers the chain of true statements and we leave the search inside the loop. Am I correct? There's a lot going on and any further explanation would be greatly appreciated.
We can't return any value, because if it's false, the for loop breaks and never finds the true that may be later. Example. Versus.
Suppose we have the following graph, where sought value is node 9, starting from node 1 as source.
Yes, the search needs to continue if depth first edge node, sought value, visited nodes, returns false. Only when you found the sought value in that part of the graph then you can return true for your search. If you were to replace that with return depth first edge node, sought value, visited nodes, then you'll only search for the value in that part of the graph, starting from that adjacent node, but you won't continue your search in case the value isn't found there.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.